Have you ever wanted to turn your favorite baseball hat into a protective bump cap? Are you intrigued? Stick around to learn all about the ball cap insert from Honeywell North. This is a molded piece of plastic that you can put inside of a baseball hat to offer a mild form of head protection. Now, it is not intended to replace a hard hat, nor is it rated to protect from the same level of impacts. But in the case where a little bump is possible, such as working in an attic, crawl space, or in a lube shop, this little thing could protect you from some very painful scenarios. Picture this. You're an electrician running some cable through an attic. You've got your favorite Team Canada hat on, and you stand up only to bonk your head on a protruding nail from the shingles in the roof. That would have been a nasty wound and a quick trip to the ER if you didn't have a trusty shell insert tucked into your hat. The shell insert can be put into any baseball hat very simply. It works best to install it underneath the sweatband of the hat to keep it from moving around. As you can see, there are still some small holes for ventilation, as well as leaving the back open so your head can breathe. This also allows the insert to bend and warp to fit most sizes of hats and heads. And since it's incredibly lightweight, you'll probably even forget it's there. And one of the best things about this product is that it's made in Canada, so you can protect your noggin while keeping your loonies north of the border. What do you think about that, eh? But if you do need an actual hard hat, we've got countless options from a wide variety of suppliers. Still need help figuring out what hard hat is best for you? We have a video on MSA head protection, which dives into the details on what all the specifications mean. So protect your head in style with this week's feature product, the ball cap insert from Honeywell North. Do you have a favorite work hat that you would want to put this in? Let us know down below and subscribe to catch the next feature product. See you later.